Everyone, welcome you once again in the new video of Mukesh sir. So today we are starting the new chapter, Arithmetic Progressions, chapter number 5 of your NCERT class 10th, Arithmetic Progressions. So in Arithmetic Progression, let us start with the introduction first. So there are some figures given in our day-to-day life. There will be always a desire to see the things around us in arranged manner, okay, where a definite pattern is visible. These objects or things which we have in the arranged form are generally articles of same kind, figures of same type, and persons, numbers, etc. Same kind of objects in the collection are normally placed according to their sizes, either in ascending order or in descending order, right? So somehow we can see the object in this figure arranged in descending order. Okay, collection of almirahs in descending order. Similarly, we can say that collection of triangles in the ascending order. Similarly, we can say that collection of circles in the ascending order, collection of school going children in the descending order. Similarly, collection of some natural numbers arranged in the ascending order, 7, 12, 20, 22, 25. So here we can see that they are arranged in some pattern. So if we just focus on the pattern, similarly we are having this sequence also. So if we focus on the pattern of these numbers, so we are getting the next number by adding 5 in the last number. Just for example, first number is 2, next number is 7. So if I add 5 in the 2, we will get 7. If I add 5 and 7, we will get 12. If I add 5 and 12, we will get 17, and so on. So similarly, the next, this blank can be determined by 27 plus 5, 32. Okay, so this blank can be determined in this way. So let us take another collection of number 3, 9, 27, 81. So here what is going on here, these are the powers of 3. This is 3 raised to the power 1. This is 3 raised to the power 2. This is 3 raised to the power 3. This is 3 raised to the power 4. So this will be the 3 raised to the power 5. Okay? So that's why it will be 243. Similarly, we are having the next sequence. So these all are what? These all are the squares of the natural number. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. These all are the squares of natural number. Okay, so next square will be 6 square, that is 36. Okay, so these all are what? These all are the sequences. So definition of sequence will be when an arrangement of numbers has a pattern which can suggest the successor of every number in the arrangement. The list of number is called sequence. ठीक है, अरेंजमेंट ऑफ नंबर्स होता है जिसमें एक पर्टिकुलर पैटर्न हो और उस पैटर्न से आप बार बार सक्सेसर निकाल सकते हैं. सक्सेसर इज द नेक्स्ट पार्ट कमिंग इन. जैसे 23 का सक्सेसर कौन है? ये ब्लैंक. 13 का सक्सेसर कौन है? 15. राइट, तो वी कैन डिटरमाइन द सक्सेसर. देन दैट लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर्स आर नोन एज सीक्वेंस. ओके, now let us observe the following sequence of number. We are having first 2, 5, 8, 11. So now we are studying these sequences. हमको इसमें एक कॉमन पैटर्न आइडेंटिफाई करना है, दैट इस सीक्वेंस में व्हाट पैटर्न इज कमिंग, इस सीक्वेंस में विच पैटर्न इज कमिंग. सो जस्ट फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम टेकिंग फर्स्ट 2, 5, 8, 11. तो वी कैन सी 3 इज एडिंग अगेन एंड अगेन. ठीक है, इन सब में क्या हो रहा है? 3 ऐड हो रहा है. अगर आपको सक्सेसर चाहिए तो दिस विल बी कमिंग आउट 14. दिस ब्लैंक की वैल्यू अगर आप 3 ऐड करेंगे 11 में तो यू विल बी गेटिंग 14. Similarly, going to the next 15, 17, 19, 21. So we are adding 2, 2, 2 again. Okay, so next number will be 23. Here minus 12, minus 7, minus 2, 3, 8. Here 5 is getting added. 5 आप बार बार ऐड करते जा रहे हैं तो लास्ट नंबर 8 plus 5 will be 13. Next 20, 16, 12, 8. Here you are subtracting 4 again and again. You are subtracting 4 again and again. So 8 minus 4 will be 4. Now here 2, 2.3, 2.6, 2.9, 3.2. So here we are adding 0.3 again and again. Okay, we are adding 0.3 again and again. So 3.2 में if we add 0.3 तो we'll get 3.5. Okay. So here we observe two important features. The number are either in ascending order or in descending order, and every sequence start with an arbitrary selected number. तो आपने अभी तक 5 cases we have studied. In those 5 cases, either they are in ascending order or either they are in descending order. The successor number of every number is every list obtained by adding fixed quantity to the previous number. आपने देखा कि सब में सक्सेसर कैसे मिल रहा है आपको? एक फिक्स्ड क्वांटिटी आप बार बार ऐड कर रहे हो. किसी में आप 3 ऐड कर रहे हो कंटिन्यूसली. इन सम वी आर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग 4. ओके, सो व्हाट वी हैव एडेड इन फर्स्ट इन में हमने ऐड किया था 3, सेकंड में 2, देन 5, देन -4 एंड देन 3. ठीक है, तो दीज आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. क्या कैरेक्टरिस्टिक हो गई कि यू आर ऑलवेज एडिंग अ फिक्स्ड नंबर टू ऑब्टेन द सक्सेसर. तो such sequences are known as AP, arithmetic progression. It means arithmetic progression is that type of sequence. Now let us see the definition. It is that type of sequence in which the first term is given and each term other than the first term is obtained by adding a fixed number d to the previous term. ठीक है, AP is a sequence. It is a sequence in which first number is given to you and you will find all the succeeding number जो भी आप find करेंगे उसमें आप एक fixed number को you will always add a fixed number to the previous number. आपको जैसे next number चाहिए previous number में कुछ एक fixed चीज़ आप add कर देंगे, तो that fixed number is known as common difference. ठीक है, वो जो फिक्स डिफरेंस होगा दैट विल बी नोन एज कॉमन डिफरेंस. जैसे अभी हमारे इन सब 5 केसेस के ये सब कॉमन डिफरेंसेस हैं. फर्स्ट केस में हमने 3 ऐड किया था बार बार, तो 3 इज द कॉमन डिफरेंस. देन वी हैव एडेड 2 अगेन एंड अगेन, तो 2 इज द कॉमन डिफरेंस. तो जो टर्म आप बार बार ऐड करते जा रहे हो या आप सब्ट्रैक्ट करते जा रहे हो, बेसिकली वी आर एडिंग, ब्रैकेट में हम उसको माइनस लिख सकते हैं, बट जो टर्म आपकी कंटिन्यूसली ऐड होती जा रही दैट विल बी नोन एज योर कॉमन डिफरेंस एंड डिनोटेड बाय स्मॉल लेटर डी. तो कॉमन डिफरेंस कैन बी पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव और जीरो. आपका कॉमन डिफरेंस पॉजिटिव भी हो सकता है, नेगेटिव भी हो सकता है और जीरो भी हो सकता है. ओके, ऑल राइट, लेट अस सी द जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ एन एपी. तो एन एपी, जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ एन एपी कैन बी रिप्रेजेंटेड एज ए प्लस डी, ए प्लस 2d, ए प्लस 3d एंड सो ऑन. बार बार आप क्या डी की वैल्यू इंक्रीज करके आप ऐड करते जा रहे हैं ए में, राइट. वेयर ए इज नोन एज योर फर्स्ट टर्म, जो भी आपकी स्टार्टिंग टर्म होगी दैट विल बी नोन एज स्मॉल ए फर्स्ट टर्म, एंड डी विल बी द कॉमन डिफरेंस, जो इनके बीच में गैप चल रहा है वो सब जगह गैप जो होगा वो सेम होगा, राइट. चाहे आप a2 माइनस a1 कर लीजिए, दिस इज फर्स्ट टर्म, सेकेंड टर्म, थर्ड टर्म, फोर्थ टर्म. तो चाहे आप a2 माइनस a1 कर लीजिए और यू कैन डू a3 माइनस a2, यू कैन डू a4 माइनस a3, द डी विल बी कमिंग आउट सेम ऑलवेज. ओके, तो लेट अस टेक एन एग्जाम्पल. द sequence is given 6, 10, 14, 18, 22. Okay, तो this is your first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. तो first term तो क्या हो गई a, that is a is equals to 6, and we know that common difference is denoted by a2 minus a1. Okay, तो your a2 is 10 minus your a1 is 6, so 10 minus 6 क्या 4. अब ये common difference throughout same रहेगा. देखिए, you can do 14 minus 10, it will be 4 again. You can do 18 minus 14, it will be 4 again. You can do 22 minus 18, it will be 4 again. तो common difference is same throughout. Okay, common difference कभी change नहीं होगा. तो now you can write this sequence, this AP in the general form. General form अभी हमने क्या लिखी थी, a plus d, a plus 2d. तो देखिए a is 6, तो I have written 6, 6, 6, 6. हर एक टर्म में 6 तो आएगा ही आएगा. फिर क्या करना है हमने, प्लस d, प्लस 2d, प्लस 3d. तो your d is 4. तो +4, +2 इंटू 4, +3 इंटू 4, +4 इंटू 4. आप ये नंबर्स इंक्रीज करते जा रहे हैं. 4 के साथ पहले 1 था, फिर 4 के मल्टीप्लाई में 2, देन 4 के मल्टीप्लाई में 3 एंड सो ऑन. ओके, तो यू आर गेटिंग, यू कैन सॉल्व इट आउट, यू विल बी गेटिंग द सेम सीक्वेंस. 6 + 4 10, 6, दिस इज 8 + 6 14, देन 12 + 6 18, एंड देन 16 + 6 22. ओके, तो सेम सीक्वेंस वी आर गेटिंग. So in this way you can represent your AP in the standard form, right? All right, let us see the type of question we can expect in 5.1. So type 1 will be, question will be given ki form an AP if A and D are given to you, right? Just an example, you have to form an AP if A is given -3 and D is given -2, means our first term will be -3 and common difference will be -2. Okay, so we know that general form of AP is a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d and so on. तो you just have to substitute these values in the formula. ये जो formula आपने लिखा है, जनरल फॉर्म जो लिखी है, just mention these, just put these values in this sequence. तो a -3, a plus d, तो -3 plus -2. Okay, be very careful with the sign. साइन के साथ केयरफुल रहिएगा. Don't change any of the sign. a plus 2d, तो a plus 2 and d is -2. Next, a plus 3d, d is -2. Okay, so our sequence is coming -3, open the brackets, -3, -2, -3, -4, -3 and 3 into 2 -6. So we are getting the 4 terms. -3, they will be -5, they will be -7 and they will be -9. So we have got an AP. Okay, so type 1 is you have to form an AP if A and D are given to you. Okay, next type 2. Now type 2 is AP will be given to you and you have to find A and D. Okay, so now AP is given to you 3 by 2 comma 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2 and so on, and you have to find A and D. तो A we know that A is the first term, तो उसमें तो कोई problem नहीं है, just write A is equals to 3 by 2, that is very easy. Okay, and next term D is the formula for the D is A2 minus A1, formula for the D is A2 minus A1, so second term minus first term. So I have done the same thing, second term is 1 by 2 and first term is minus 3 by 2. Just take the LCM, you will be getting 2, 1 minus 3. Minus 2 by 2, that is minus 1. So A is 3 by 2 and D is minus 1. This is type 2. So now type 3. Type 3 is identify the given sequence is AP or not. Now you will be given by some sequence and you have to identify or you have to check whether the given sequence is an AP or not. For example, check whether the given sequence is AP or not. If yes, find the next two terms. So any sequence is given to you minus 13, minus 10, minus 7, minus 4. You have to check whether this given sequence is an AP or not. तो when a sequence is AP, then the common difference will be same throughout. तो इन दोनों का difference भी same आना चाहिए, third minus second भी same आना चाहिए, 4 minus third भी same आना चाहिए. तो I have calculated all the difference. First is A2 minus A1. तो minus 10 minus 13. Just careful with the sign. Be careful with the sign. Okay. A2 minus A1. तो your second term is minus 10 and your first term is minus 13. और ये minus किसका है? Formula का. Right. So be very careful. So this will be minus 10 plus 13. It is coming out 3. Similarly, find the next difference. Next difference will be A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2. All right. Consecutive terms का difference होता है common difference, right? आप ये नहीं कि आप A2 minus A4 कर दो. No. A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3. तो A3 minus A2 क्या, तो minus 7 minus 10. Okay. तो minus 7 plus 10. Again we are getting 3. Similarly, if we find D for A4 minus A3, fourth term minus third term, again we are getting 3. So if all the D are coming same, अगर आपके सारे D same आते हैं, then yes, it is an AP. And if any one of the D is not coming same, तो no, it is not an AP. तो क्वेश्चन की डिमांड क्या थी? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल चेक वेदर इट इज एन AP or not. तो yes, it is an AP. And next demand for the question is write its next two terms. तो आपको next two terms और find करनी थी, right? तो we know that AP का जनरल फॉर्म इज A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, A plus 5D and so on. These four terms are given to us, minus 13, minus 10, minus 7, minus 4. तो we have to calculate these two terms. Means हमको ये दो blanks find करने, A plus 4D and A plus 5D. तो A plus 4D will be A plus 4 and D की वैल्यू आपके पास 3 है. A is given to you minus 13. तो आपने बस वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट की है. Minus 13 plus 12, it is minus 1. And next A plus 5D, so minus 13 plus 5 into D, 5 into 3, so minus 13 plus 15, that is coming out 2, right? So in this way you can check whether the given sequence is an AP or not, and you can find the next few terms जो आपको demand होगी question में. Okay. Alright, so this is type 4. So type 4 में what we have to do, you will get some word problems, right? You will be getting some word problems. आपको इस word problem को read करके you just form a sequence and then check whether that sequence is AP or not. Okay, so let us take some examples. In which of the following situations the list of number obtained will be in the form of arithmetic progression? All right, the first part, amount left with Sandeep out of the total amount 12,000 which he had in the beginning when he spends 500 in the beginning of every month. Okay, so Sandeep is having 12,000 total in his hand, okay, and he is spending 500 in the beginning of every month. All right, so first month mein he is having 12,000 rupees. Next month, so first month mein Sandeep is having 12,000 rupees. As soon as next month start, 500 rupees he will spend. So 12,000 minus 500 is 11,500. फिर next month में आएगा तो again he will spend 500 rupees. So again you will subtract 500, you will be getting 11,000. Third month में जाएंगे तो again he will be spending 500 rupees. Again 500 will be deducted, so 10,500. So we are getting four terms. First month में he is having 12,000. Second month में he is having 11,500. Third month में he is having 11,000. Fourth में he is having 10,500. So yes, they were forming an AP because common difference जो है वो minus 500 का आ रहा है. If you subtract second by first, you will be getting minus 500. Similarly, if you are subtracting third by second, again minus 500. Similarly, you are subtracting fourth term by the third term, again minus 500. Okay, so in this way you have to do a word problem, right? Let us take the second example. Number of students left in the school auditorium from the total strength of 1000 students when they leave the auditorium in batch of 25. Okay, so number of student left, आपको किसका सीक्वेंस बनाना है अब? नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट लेफ्ट का. ऑलराइट, तो इन फर्स्ट केस वी आर हैविंग 1000 स्टूडेंट्स. अब जैसे ही 25 बच्चे ऑडिटोरियम को लीव करेंगे तो 1000 माइनस 25 इट इज़ 975. फिर 25 लीव करेंगे 950. फिर 25 लीव करेंगे इट विल बी 925. तो नंबर्स कमिंग आर 1000, 975, 950, 925 and so on. Okay, so similarly we are getting a common difference of minus 25 here. That's why yes, they are also making an AP. So in these type of word problems you have to make the sequence first and then check whether it is a AP or not. So these are the 4 types of question which you will be getting in exercise 5.1. So just do your exercise 5.1 from your NCERT and doubts will be discussed in the next class. Thank you very much. Have a good day.